to roll. Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey home.
Does that work yet? Does that work for you?
Thank you. It's a little hard to hear.
Thank you from Hollywood Happenings.
If you turn the track down
Hold on. This is Karen from Hollywood Happenings. That's the official 69th anniversary of this photo. So hashtag more kisses. Benefit for the official birthday sponsor, Wet n Wild. Hollywood Happenings. Hashtag more kisses. Hashtag Hollywood Happenings. Hashtag World War II. Hashtag 69 years since this kiss.
He was down and no one else really played. He was top man at his crack. And then his own when he was on the track. He's in the young and out, lone reveille. He's the boogie wonker, you can buy a company fee. He made him come through before his Uncle Sam. He really brought him down because he couldn't jam. The captain seemed to understand. Because the next thing you can, when I dropped in the band, his honey company jump. When he was reveille, he's the boogie wonker, that's all I company fee.
Perfect. Can we just try another song? Awesome. Can you play off that?
I'll be with you in apple blossom time. I'll be with you to change your name to mine one day.
What's going on today?
It's a private event for the 69th anniversary of that photo. Of that photo, the sailor kissing the nurse.
Okay. I'm with Hollywood Happenings, the online paper.
Okay.